So hello everyone, it's me once again. This is JHOPAY'S Adventure and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video for today. So we'll be getting away from the makeup session and we'll be doing an unboxing session for today. So as you know, sale season is already over, it's already finished, and today I'll be showing you some of the items, some of the clothes pieces that I've got. Let's start the unboxing. So as you can see at my side, I have here with me a 5 shopping bag from Zara, from different stores here in Milan. So let's start the unboxing. So the first items that I've got, so this is a gray skirt. Original price is more than 25 euro and the discounted price is 5.95 euro. Second one is this brown coat, which I fell in love the first time I saw it. Okay, so it's a brown coat. Original price is 129 euro. 60 euro for me is still so expensive, so I just close my eye. The style is very unique and I love the color. Okay, so the cloth has a very smooth texture of the textile. It's actually a high cut shoes, a green one. So original price is 75 euro and I bought it only 29 euro. So I just love the color, okay, and I love the style, and I can use it on the next winter season. So the next jacket I've got, okay, I am not a fan of camouflage style, but when I saw this jacket, I was like, oh, I have to take that jacket. I got this one from the men's section. What I love about this jacket is it's not that long. It's a semi-fit style. So originally this is just 59 euro and I just bought it 29 euro. It has a pocket here. So it's like, overall it has a 4 pockets. It's a jogging pants, a runner pants. So I just love the style. So as you can see the cut and the style, it's brown here, and the other side is different color. The original price is 29 euro and I just bought it 9 euro. The next pants that I've got is a white color. It's perfect for summertime. The texture is cotton. So originally this is 39 euro and I just bought it with 9 euro. Another item is this short, a jeans short, color white. I hope the waistline will fit me. Original price is 19 euro and I just bought it 5 euro. Another jacket, it's like a very colorful jacket, and this one is perfect for spring season or during the fall or the autumn season. So it's very colorful jacket. It's like rainbow color, which really fits on my personality. It has a smooth texture. Original price is 69 euro and I just bought it 19 euro. Next items is another jeans jacket. As you can see the style, okay, and then at the back. So the original price is 35 euro and I just bought it 9 euro. You can use a white or a black inner t-shirt. Next one is this lana, as we call it here in Italy. Normally I don't wear or it's very often that I wear black, blue, gray, or brown color during the winter season. So I usually have to find some dresses that are colorful like blue, red if there is, or yellow. So I just want to, to be very stand out. The original price is 39 euro and I just bought it with 12 euro. Next item is a white polo. Okay. So I just love the design and at the back, okay. It's a black floral style. So the normal price of this one is 39 euro and the last price that they gave is only 7 euro. Another polo shirt. It says blue stripe. It's a semi-fit and another 39 euro. That's the original price and I just bought it 7 euro. Another polo shirt, okay. So it's a pink stripe style. It's a semi-fit also. This is 39 euro originally and the last price is 7 euro. So another polo shirt. This time it's floral. It's a semi-fit style and I just love the details of the flowers. It's so perfect for the coming spring and summer season. And then we have also here, okay, this is a black stripe. I don't know how was the style. As you can see on the details, this is a woman's top. So what I love about is the style that is like the other one is off shoulder. So I don't know if this one will fit me but in any case it doesn't fit me, then I'll just make this one as a collection and I'll be making it as a part of my collection that I'll be using for my photography business someday. It's a cotton, okay, so it's perfect for summer. And originally this is 25 euro and I just bought it with 5 euros. So another red top, okay, this is a large size. I'm sure this one fits me. The texture of the textile is so smooth and it's a cotton, also perfect for summer, so you can wear it for the summer season or during the spring season. So originally this is 39 euro and the last price that I gave is 9 euro. Next item is this very colorful zip cardigans. Okay, so this is a lana also. So I just love the color, the details, and it is a stripe style. Okay. Again, this is perfect for spring season and winter season. So originally this is 39 euro and I bought it 9 euros only. Next item, a white cotton t-shirt and it has a print in front, okay. So if you're a fan of check, this one originally it's 19 euro and I bought it 12 euro, so it's just a few discounts. Next one is a woman's top. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is enough for my for my arms. So I'm sure this will really fit me and I just love this style in front of it. Again, this is a cotton. It has a nice texture, a very cold texture, and you can wear it during the summer season and spring season. Next t-shirt is this black one with a printed on it. As you can see, turn up the bit. It's a medium size. It's a cotton texture again. And originally this is 19 euro and I just bought it 9 euro. And for the last bag, finally we're done. So I have this pink or a fuchsia short. So originally this is 29 euro and I bought it 7 euro. Another woman's top. So this is a floral. This is perfect for summer and spring season, and I just love the cap here. Okay, this one, as you can see the cap here, so it gives you a V shape on your body. Originally this is 9 euro and I just bought it 5 euro. Another yellow top. Perfect for summer. It's a backless actually, and I just love again the texture of the textile. It's so smooth in the skin. Okay, so originally this is 17 euro and I just bought it 5 euros. And last but not the least, a jeans short. Wow, this can be a pretty match. You know, it could match with this one or this one. Okay, as you can see, it's jeans, but it's not that the hard jeans, so the textile is so smooth as well. Originally this is 19 euro and I just bought it 5 euro. So normally during the sale season, during the summer or during the winter, I normally budget 100 euro only. But this time I was able to spend like unlimited because I know that I have an extra money. So I spent a total of 311 euros. So this isn't too much actually to spend just for the shopping alone, but I've got a lot of items that I'm gonna be using for the next winter, for the next summer, and some of the items that I'll be making it as a part of my collection for my future business when I am intended to stay in the Philippines. So was it worth it to spend 300 for the shopping alone? Anyway, it's sale season, it's more than 70% off, so it's really worth it to buy rather than you know, to do the shopping during the regular season wherein the prices is really too expensive. So we'll be doing the try on haul on my next vlog, and I'll be wearing them one by one, whatever the clothes that fits me, I have to wear them, and let's just see what are the style that we can create here. So thank you for always watching. Please do leave a comments. I love reading all your comments. I always respond to all your comments, and thank you for always watching. Thank you for always visiting my channel. So once again, this is JHOPAY'S Adventure, and thank you for always watching. See you on my next vlog.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.